Hi, my name is Tina Sharpe with JT Contracting, located here in Birmingham, Alabama, woman-owned business. We work throughout the Southeast as far as Texas. Division 9 subcontractor, we do framing, drywall, acoustical ceiling work. Some of our current projects is Elmore County Prison in Montgomery, Alabama. We're doing all the framing and drywall on that project, and it's one of the largest one in Alabama at this time, so it's quite challenging and a lot of fun. We work for Tuscaloosa City School Systems, 21 schools, I think, in the whole district, so they keep me hopping all the time. I've been involved with EQIP for a number of years, and they have helped me with bonding. They've helped me find estimator. They bring me in on all the big networking events in town. They have introduced me to the Brasfield Gorrie team, where I have one-on-one breakout sessions with them in the Zooms, which has been invaluable in learning and growing. And it's through EQIP that I won my very first contract with Brasfield Gorrie. It's SIPCO new maintenance and electrical facility here in Birmingham. And I'm looking forward to getting started on that. I'm excited. Working with Brasfield Gorrie has been a long dream for me. So I'm excited to learn through EQIP and Brasfield Gorrie and continue to grow and scale my business. As a woman-owned business, it's quite challenging at times. There's only like 10% of us nationally, so we have to work twice as hard as men to get the same opportunities, the same respect. So just having that support of a program like EQIP has been valuable to help me to be on a more level playing field and to be taken seriously and get those opportunities. One of my, I guess, proudest moments is being asked by AGC to speak at one of their conventions on what it's like to be a woman in construction. And that was their first time to do it. So I felt like it was a great honor for them to ask me to do it. So I put together a panel of amazing ladies from NAWIC, and we had a great panel discussion, and I feel like it really gave a voice to us. And I know the men walked away with a few thoughts on how to work with us and how to make the work environment better for women in construction. And I would definitely encourage any young women to get in industry because the opportunities are endless.